Today, I'm going to show you how to install this sweet vanity light for your bathroom. Previously, this was the light in my bathroom. It is very old and it uses these inefficient bulbs that it gets extremely hot. In the winter, that's not too bad, but in the summer, it's terrible. Not only are they hot, but they also consume a lot of electricity for us. So it's time for them to go. Now, to remove this vanity light, first, you have to unscrew all 8 bulbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once the bulbs are removed, grab a hold of this and then pull straight out. Once these 8 pieces are pulled out, then this chrome cover can be lifted away from the wall as well. After the chrome piece have been lifted away from the wall, then you can unscrew these screws. For me, I have about 3 of them. 1, 2, and then 3. As soon as the last screw comes out, then this whole thing just falls right off. Now behind that bracket was pretty nasty. There's paints, there's a bunch of holes everywhere. I decided to cover up with just a piece of wood. This is actually a recycled piece of wood from IKEA, by the way. The IKEA piece of wood is pretty plain, so I decided next to engrave this hummingbird onto it. Using my favorite laser engraver, the Comcro Z1, I engraved this hummingbird onto it within 15 minutes. Here you can see that the LED light is a lot shorter than the other older light, which is missing 2 LED lights. Now you can mount this in this position or in this position. The LED strip are actually right here at the base. So in this position, the LED light is actually shooting towards the ceiling. Here's a different angle of the LED light. And this is what it looks like in the back of it. There's actually 3 wires. Here's the ground, neutral, and the load. To mount this thing, first you have to unscrew 4 screws. 1, 2, and on the bottom side, 3, 4. For whatever reason, the electrical wires of mine is not dead center, so I had to cut a hole into it to let the wires come out. To connect the electrical wires from the wall to the LED lights, I'm using Wago nuts. These are very easy to connect to each other. So just match them up, ground to ground, black to black, white to white. And this is the final result. Looks pretty good, right? Originally, I planned it to be only 30-minute installation, but it turns out to be 3 hours installation just because I ran into a bunch of hiccups. Hopefully yours will go much more smoothly. Alright, I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.